Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, New Old Mom, where I am a new mom of an 11-month-old, an old mom, I've got a 7 and a 6-year-old, so come experience parenthood with me. Today I'm going to take a limited space and a limited budget and try to create a nice learning environment for my second and first grader. This will be our first full year of homeschooling, so we are just experimenting with some space that we have in our guest bedroom, and we're going to see what we can do with it to try to make it into something that is going to help inspire these little minds. I'm using a lot of the items that I found at the Dollar Tree. I did a video on that recently. Usually I use Walmart for most of my school shopping, but I found a lot of great stuff at Dollar Tree, and so I put a video up for that. So I'm just going to show you how I'm trying to use the little space that we have wisely. And there you have it, our little space. You can see it's already been tested by the kids and the baby. But again, like I was saying, we have a bed and a dresser and a chair on the other side of the room. And so we're really only utilizing half of the room for their classroom learning space. And we're gonna see how this goes for the year. When my husband gets home, we'll put some more tape on the top of those posters because, you know, tall people. I got short people problems. But that's how I did it. The storage bin was an old toy box that I used for the girls. You see, I did use that globe there from the Dollar Tree. Their little desks, I got those from Amazon.com. And again, like I said, that was an old toy bin. And so now it's being utilized for their classroom. And another thing that I like about those desks that you're seeing there, not only are they cute and comfy and they're perfect size for them, they also come with a ton of storage themselves. And so these little bins under here can hold a good amount of items. Last year when we did the digital learning, all of their stuff just went into these little bins. But we're going to utilize that toy box and the bins this year. So I'm just going to keep their main notebooks in these little bins, and then we're going to be ready for school. All right, hope this video helps you guys. I'd love to see what you guys create as well. Have a great day.